Most men think women notice only sharp jawlines, height, or a perfect face. But the truth is, women get attracted to vibes, energy, and archetypes long before looks. Today, I'll show you the 8 real things women notice first. The things that actually make you stand out. Let's start. 1. Energy and behavior. Women lose interest the moment a man tries too hard. Things like overposing, thirst trap angles, showing off, acting for attention. Instant ick. The men who actually go viral, they aren't performing. They're just living, working, playing sports, riding bikes, cooking, fixing things, doing normal, everyday stuff. That's the real secret. Effortless masculinity, far greater than forced masculinity. 2. Grooming. Most men skip grooming, and that's why a well-groomed man stands out immediately. The guys women obsess over had a clean shave or a well-shaped beard, a sharp, fresh haircut, clear, healthy skin, neat eyebrows, clean overall vibe. Grooming isn't decoration, it's a weapon. Use it. 3. Style. You don't need designer drip, just intentional, clean, masculine style. Here is 2 aesthetic styles women love. 1. Old money clean fit. Fitted tees, clean jeans, boots, watch. 2. Dark starboy aesthetic. Black layers, rings, cuffs, boots, confidence. Simple outfits plus good grooming plus a fit body equals elite attractiveness. If you want me to break down styles like old money or the starboy aesthetic in a simple, clear way, just let me know in the comments. 4. Muscles. Here's the truth. Women are most attracted to men who look capable. Not huge, not shredded, just naturally strong. You don't need a bodybuilder body. You don't need fitness model abs. You just need lean, athletic muscle that shows you take care of yourself. And the crazy part? With 1 year of consistent training, your attractiveness can jump more than you think. It's not about having the perfect physique. It's about showing effort, discipline, and self-respect. Visible effort greater than perfect body. 5. Hair. Hair is one of the first things women notice. Thick, messy, but intentional hair beats a perfect fade any day. Women look for volume, good texture, no dandruff, natural movement. Your hair communicates youth and health. If it's thinning, avoid low fades. Go for layered or textured cuts that add volume. One good haircut can change your entire face. 6. Glowing skin. Clear skin equals instant level up. Women notice healthy skin faster than clothes, muscles, or height. You don't need a 12-step routine. Just consistency. Clean, exfoliate, moisturize, SPF, and hydrate. A glowing face makes you look fresh, young, and put together. 7. The archetype effect. Women don't just look at a man, they look at the vibe he gives. Every guy, women go crazy for one of these powerful archetypes. The mysterious loner, calm, unreadable in his own world. The athlete, disciplined, focused, competitive. The dark starboy, stylish, confident, a little dangerous. The clean, old money look, polished, calm, and elegant. And here's the secret. Men don't go viral because they're perfect looking. They go viral because their presence tells a story women can feel. Women don't fall in love with perfection. They fall in love with a vibe. So instead of chasing a fantasy version of yourself, build a clear identity. A vibe that feels authentic, confident, and masculine. 8. Anyone can become attractive. This is the part most men don't believe. Attraction isn't about genetics, it's about effort. If you train, groom properly, build a unique archetype, improve your skin, fix your hair, dress with purpose, and move with confidence, your attractiveness will rise faster than you can imagine. Women don't want perfection. They want a man who cares about himself. That's it. These are the 8 real things women actually find attractive. Not money, not height, not perfect genetics, just real masculine upgrades that any man can build. If this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe. Your support gives me might to do videos like this.